Hey guys, this is Apollo here, and today I'm doing an unboxing of the SD Gundam World Sangoku Soketsuden Lupe Unicorn Gundam. Alright, here is the box itself. Now I'm really excited to get the first few kits from the line, and since we're getting this early, I'm really excited. I'm really excited. You know, I really love SD Gundam and the SD Gundam, especially the Soketsuden series. Now, if you guys follow on the Gundam YouTubers podcast, I did mention from one of the podcasts that about why I love this series so much. But if you guys didn't watch the story, to cut it short, it's pure nostalgia. That's the reason why. Because when I first started on Gundam, my first kit was from the Sangoku line, and I built a few Sangoku kits, and holy crap, I really love those SD kits so much. And seeing this series get rebooted and having like new characters here and there, I'm perfectly fine with that. It's really that cool. And yeah, I not only got Liu Bei, I also got Guan Yu and Tang Fei, which I will do unboxing separately. But yeah, so let's do Liu Bei first. So yes, I am really excited. I really cannot wait to actually get this kit building. I'm not gonna build this week, probably next week. So I'll get a review up by next week if I can. So yeah, another thing is that unlike any Bandai Mall kit which is made in Japan, this one is made in China. As obviously here, made in China. I've seen the live build from Gundam Base Tokyo and like the Gundam Base Tokyo channel, and they built the Liu Bei and the Guan Yu. And from seeing the runners and like his build, it's pretty high quality from what I'm seeing. So, but we'll see when I open the box. So yeah, let's go in the box. So yeah, Liu Bei Unicorn Gundam. I'm very excited. I'm psyched. So on the side here we have the details about the model kit, and yeah, basically it's these blur about Liu Bei himself. And then you basically have a little plastic piece you put inside the forearm, which is basically like some kind of memory card, if you put it that way. And then also you get the gun sword, which is called the Ryudan Hajin, if I pronounce it. And as advertised, you can actually combine. You should actually take the other model kits and combine the weapons into Unicorn, the Liu Bei's weapon. On the side, again, nothing here. And again, it doesn't mention the price, but it is 600 yen. Oh god, I'm really excited. Let's open the box. I'm open this live because I'm really excited to see what's inside this kit. Okay. Open sesame. Let's see what's inside. First bag, we got the stickers, which is really good. You don't get a lot in this kit. That's pretty good. Though I would say that I'm not gonna okay, except for the ice stickers, I won't be using stickers. I'll be painting every single detail in this model kit. Yeah, so it's kind of weird that they don't manufacture in China rather than in Japan, but you know, it's not a huge deal. I think you get more plastic, which is pretty good for a cheap price. You get a B plate, which are the white parts, and then you get the C plate, which is all the gold parts. Yeah, it really feels like Japan somewhat. The D plate, which are the blue parts, and the A plate, which is the joints for the like the SD kits, the SD Sangoku kits, Sangoku Soketsuden kits. Yeah. In the last bat, you got the red for all the clear parts on the kit, and then the black parts for the weapons, and then his hair. Right. Oh, we got a pamphlet. That's nice. Yeah, we got a pamphlet, which is to advertise the kits in the line, and the manual. Let's get it out. There you go. Yep, you get a little blur about the Liu Bei himself. You can pause the read if you want. You done? Good. Yeah. Yep. Basically, you got the details about the kit, about Liu Bei himself. Like you get much more of his details about him. And inside you have the build process. It looks pretty good. Yeah, I don't see any problem with that. So yeah, that's an unboxing of the SD Liu Bei Unicorn Gundam. I am excited to build this. I mean, not immediately, but I will try to get it built as soon as I can. And this is it's pretty interesting. This guy's in China, but yeah. Let me put it. Yeah. Oh, God, it's really tightly packed in there. Yeah, And just like any SD kit is they have touch gates. So if you're new to Gunpla, this would be pretty easy to build. So yeah, that's it, guys. Thank you guys for watching this unboxing, and stay tuned for more videos. Peace out.